Welcome to NorthStar. A company is developing its budget for the upcoming month. The financial planning department has developed the following range of sales activities and the associated probabilities for each level of budgeted sales are given below. Sales estimate and probabilities are given. Next, the company says the company's cost of goods sold average 80% of the sales and the relationship is expected to remain consistent in the next financial year. What is the expected value of the company's budgeted cost of goods sold? So first we need to calculate what is the sales estimate or expected sales estimate. Once we have got to know the expected sales estimate, we will multiply it with 80% and that would become our budgeted cost of goods sold. So let's calculate 120,000 multiplied by 25% or 0.25, 170,000 multiplied by 0.4, 200,000 multiplied by 0.35. Press GT, we get expected sales. Remember, this is expected sales in dollars, not in units. $168,000. Now, this 168,000 has to be multiplied with cost of goods sold percentage, which is 80%. So multiplied by 80%, we get how much? We get $134,400. This is our expected sales in dollars. So the correct answer is option A, $134,400. Thank you.